Food is a necessity of life.
Food is in our lifeblood, it's in our DNA.
Food really sits at the intersection of dietary and planetary health, and really the definition of health itself.
Sustenance is at the very heart of sustainability. And how we sustain ourselves is not necessarily with anything and everything that's available, but with what is culturally known to us as being good.
It's estimated that in the next 50 years, we have to produce more food than mankind has consumed in its entire history. How do we do that in a sustainable manner?
We are facing triple threats of undernutrition, obesity, and also climate change. And we know that climate change has significant impact on the nutrient content of crops and also the health of humans.
We have seen a shift in diseases from underconsumption to diseases of overconsumption, diseases of undernutrition. We're seeing diabetes, cancer, heart disease.
We need to reduce the amount of meat that we're eating. We need to look more at plant-based foods. We need to reduce the amount of processed foods that we're eating. There's a whole slew of initiatives that we have to think about and embrace to make sure that everyone on the planet has an opportunity to have a healthy diet.
Incremental changes, one-off policies are not going to radically change our food system. And I think that if we're really interested in long-term environmental stewardship, that we need some radical paradigm shifts.
We need to take a holistic approach to looking at this problem. We have to really understand how it is we're producing food, what kind of food we're eating, and what kind of impact that is having both on our health and the health of the planet.
Plant-based eating, regular physical activity, and then connecting with your purpose, your passion, understanding your stressors, and finding healthy ways to deal with them. If you can do those three things, you eliminate 91% of diabetes, 80% of heart disease, 60 to 70% of all cancers, and it's good for the environment. And it's good for your pets too.
Sustainable diets need to go beyond just health and environment and also need to think about economics, affordability, and ethics as far as equity and human rights.
It's always useful to know that we've created this system, right? So we have the capacity to do something to improve it.
I look at my kids and they're aware of environmental issues in a way that I just wasn't at their age.
The issues we face are monumental, but we have the capacity, if we work together, to really solve these and really make some significant changes that are going to be good for people and good for the planet.